California, California, here we come.
Every morning, cup of oatmeal with berries, nothing else.
Hey, my first day of motor training in at the new gym. Having fun. Wow, show your recent searches.
Your girlfriend's gonna think you plowed next week.
It's a beach day today, Saturday, with Shima. Look at that, I think she's the hottest girl ever. Turn around. Oh, I'm a lucky guy. I don't know how I convinced Shima that we're gonna go hang out with Seth too, and there's probably gonna be some drama here. Alright, we're gonna meet up with Jake here, and Seth, and Jake's girlfriend. This is just gonna be chaos. This is gonna be just funny shit all over. There's never a dull moment. Trees though, I mean, who planted all these? What a genius. Yo, greasers! Yeah, greasers, how's it going? Nice to meet you, Thomas. Johnny, nice to meet you. This is my girlfriend, Shima. What's your name? Sammy, nice to meet you. Yo, do you guys mind if you're in my vlog, or you guys are good? Sammy?
Good.
You good?
We watched all your episodes.
Did you actually? Did you find them funny?
Oh yeah.
Dude, so what's with the chocolate milks, man?
This is straight out of the cow's tit. It's not even like processed.
Yeah? Well, you guys just all were in the moods for it? Alright, sounds good. It reminds me of elementary school when I used to do that.
Yeah, it's the best shit.
Alright, Whole Foods, man, nothing better. I went Sunday to LA and it was like no traffic.
You're kidding.
I swear now.
You're not in LA, but you're lost. You probably seen like a sign and then didn't realize it said like LA 100 miles and you like took the next exit. And, like,
so we went to look at this trailer last night. Drove all the way to Victorville. That was like an hour and a half away. Big black guy. He's trying to sell it. It's infested with bugs. Like through the vents, like thick sheets of bugs, like dead bugs. Like
bed bugs or cockroaches?
Dead bugs.
Oh.
It was ridiculous. So yeah, we looked around it. It was just horrid. We offered him $4.50. He like hummed and hawed on it. He took it, and then he wrote up a bill of sale and everything. Last minute, I'm like, no, fuck that. I'm not getting this.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys were gonna buy it with like bugs in there?
Yeah.
Why?
That's why I wanted you to come with me, because you would say no right away.
Like 20 bucks to clean it.
And I spent $60 getting there in fuel. Yeah. Nick Schmidt.
That's a long time, dude.
He's sort of this cocky douchebag at Milestone who tried his career in Supercross but failed drastically.
Why are you talking down on him, dude? He's super fast, man. He's faster than all of us.
I know, but I'm saying, like,
okay.
from a spectator's point of view.
Okay.
We Dudes might be his what do you call it?
Rival. I texted him. I got his number from Jake. I texted him.
This was Jake's idea?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, this is so fun.
Yeah. Hey, I'm inquiring about the Craigslist ad. I went to Escognito Toyota and they told me that the Nick Schmidt edition was not a model released by them and that it must be a rare custom model. What is your bottom dollar for the Nick Schmidt edition Tundra? I asked him that, and now Nick Schmidt, he has a Tundra with Nick Schmidt edition decal on the rear because he's a cocky douchebag.
I'm gonna pan to that in the video.
Yeah. And so, anyways, he said, I think you have the wrong number. Obviously, he blocked me because it didn't even deliver the other message.
Oh my god.
So I said, please, man, I'm your biggest fan.
And then he added him on Matt Skills, but before that, he went on my profile to look at Nick Schmidt's bike and made an identical replica of what his looks like with the same number, same graphics, everything.
And then I versed him in a race.
Probably do like a bunch of car lockouts there. I get so many.
Car lockouts? Really?
So many times we go to the mall,
yeah.
If I ever see someone struggling to get in their car, I was like, are you locked out of your car? And I always look really excited, so they like are super pissed off that I'm excited they're locked out of their car.
Yeah.
But,
Like, what are these shoes, man? That's like fresh, man. I like it.
You gotta keep it fresh at Whole Foods, buddy.
You gotta, I know, Whole Foods, you gotta be fresh. And Seth is keeping it fresh with his USA pants.
USA.
Every
I like
day.
that jacket. I want it so bad.
Dude, if she gave you that jacket, man.
No. He paid $1 for it.
You paid $1 for
I
it?
Goodwill, yeah. I got it as a joke. I bought her a present. She wanted this jacket that was like a couple hundred.
Yeah.
So I put that jacket inside there, and I was like, "Oh, sorry, I couldn't afford it. I'm really broke, so I gave you this." And then she wears this one more.
And how do you feel about this, Tammy?
I still wear the other one.
You should sell it to Seth for like $5 and he'll be so happy.
Betcha.
Don't dare cut in front of me, okay?
Oh boy.
Oh my god, don't hit me. No, really? Okay. No, dude, he's gonna die, man. Okay, okay.
Oh boy.
California, California. He's wind channeling him.
What is that?
He's coming as close as possible.
You should stop like 100 feet back.
Oh my god, Thomas, go. Thomas, go.
He's so stupid. Dude, people are fucking like, what the fuck?
Dude, you see how long of a line is made behind us? I'm in my lane a
Oh my god. If they come into my lane a little bit. No, Tom. Thomas, don't do it. Thomas? Thomas, no.
Jake,
Jake,
anytime
whatever.
you're gonna do something funny,
What?
anytime you're gonna do something funny, raise your hand, okay?
So I can film it.
Outside, but it was like
I know. That was, and that was hilarious, dude.
Film the guy's face behind me.
Behind us? Oh, Shima, try and get his face, just record it.
Let's go ahead this time.
No.
Oh my god. Thomas, Thomas.
The guy behind us is gonna think we're hammered.
Thomas. Okay. Boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit.
Film the people too.
Oh my god. Baby, he's gonna get to an accident, Tom. I'm serious. Tom.
We're in Laguna Hills right now, I'm guessing. What is this, Laguna Hills?
Laguna Hills up there.
Laguna Hills is up there?
Did I put on shorts?
You didn't bring swimming shorts?
Forgot something else, guys. Can we go
Dude,
back?
you're gonna burn your foot all the way
It
there.
actually feels so good.
Really?
Yeah, it feels like you're in like a hot tub right now.
Oh, it's not very hot right now.
Not right now. On the way back. I told you it was a bad idea, man.
Probably good for my feet.
So Seth wants me to take down the video. I'm kind of choked because I put so much work into that video.
No, you can't vlog that shit.
What?
Honestly, just don't vlog it. Honestly, I'm not even kidding.
I'm just vlogging. Johnny just gave him his shoes. And now Johnny's gonna be burning. We're at UBC Rec Beach. Oh wait, this is the Laguna version of it in California.
Actually.
It's beautiful. Don't be douchey.
Don't be rude. She only lost one of her.
We're on too slow.
Oh, I always see this game lately, dude.
Do they have an elevator? What is that?
Dude, what is that thing?
Is that like a roller coaster? It's an elevator.
No.
Yeah.
So some rich bastard just
It's
like.
probably Seth and stuff.
Where are we gonna go?
Shima.
I think the COVID.
Gotta be careful. What's that? Because your tail is fucked.
It's a gas station, right?
Yeah.
And there's these East Indians, and I tell them that like, here, can I moss $30 on pump 1? And he's like, he looked at me funny. He's like, okay. I'm like, thanks. And he's like, where are you from? And I'm like, from Canada. It's very mossy. And he's like, okay, so you speak Canadian? And I'm like, yeah, I speak Canadian.
It's like a different language.
Yeah. And so he's like, where are you from Canada? And I'm like, well, I usually moss in Vancouver. and he's like, Vancouver. Okay, have you ever been to Surrey? I'm like, yeah, Surrey, that's the worst place. Like that's where all the moss
And
grows.
his family lives, the guy.
Yeah, that's where all the moss grows, and his family lives there.
Oh no! You actually see a sports psychiatrist?
Well, you don't have to. You only go for like 5 seconds, and then your brain is like cured.
Is that what Johnny does for you?
What?
Is Johnny the sports psychiatrist?
No.
Johnny, could you be my sports psychiatrist?
On the bike, but I can't do psychiatry.
On the next episode,
It's a portobello.
Seth's meltdown.
I'm out of here.
Seth, what are you doing? What the hell?